What's he doing? I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Okay. He's going to do the wheel lock thing is what he's talking about. See how tight it is right here? You better get to tighten it up. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay. All right, what he's doing right here, there is a feature and there's a little button on there and it locks the inside wheel right there. So if you're on a tight turn or something, so we got the Jeep sitting right here, he's gonna lock this inside wheel and he's gonna make this turn completely 360 before he hits the Jeep. I hope. Damn. Go, no, you're not gonna make it. You're closer. I think if you'd have been going faster. I'm serious. The faster that you go, the tighter that thing. Anyway, it's supposed to work. Maybe we just expect it to do too much. It's not exactly a J-turn brake for any, okay? Anyway, maybe he can get some more speed. We don't really know a lot about this stuff. I'm sure somebody that actually uses this feature in Broncos. There you go. I told you. Yeah, I just need a little bit more speed. Anyway, all it does is lock the inside wheel, lock it, let it go. So anyway, it just kind of, it's supposed to assist in the turn.